Hey, morning everyone. So you may have read our TPP weekend wrap yesterday. If not, maybe caught up this morning. Bottom line is this. From that, you probably summarized that this week, it's a big week. And why I say that, you've got 5 of the Magnificent 7 reporting results. And anywhere you look in the financial press, you'll be reading about that right now. And as well as that, you've got US GDP, which is obviously a market mover. And the more important one, US non-farm payrolls on Friday. That's the jobs data and is one of the biggest market movers on a monthly basis. Now, in the middle of all of that, you've got the very controversial UK budget. So like I said, and to reiterate, this week, I would expect market movements, volatility, oscillations. So here we go. The strategies this month. What are we looking at in regards to performance? Well, general markets have been quite flat. And you can see this with the illustrations of our tracker. S&P tracker here, positive 0.4% on the month. Now look, to summarize this one, it very simply just follows the S&P up and it follows it down, but with 1.5 times leverage. Now we built these because 80% of wealth managers underperform a simple market tracker. These trackers make 1.5 times their market returns. But obviously if the markets are flat, so will the trackers be. And you can see this in the S&P. At the same time, you can see this in our FTSE tracker. It's negative 0.8%. Now, obviously, there's still 4 trading days left. This can quickly change. Flat markets equal flat leverage trackers on TPP. So if we're looking for a strategy of the month right now, I'd start it with a big caveat saying it's very much open because of everything still to come. But at the same time, a number of strategies have done really well again. So considering we've had very minimal movement in the markets in general, this one that I've spoke about on a couple of occasions is positive by 2.9% on the month so far. Now, this is very similar to one of our most popular strategies, Cambridge Futures, in the fact that it focuses on the UK stock market. What it does, it sits very patient on the sidelines and it doesn't care if there isn't an opportunity. It doesn't want to take on that risk. And when they see an opportunity, the strategy steps into the market, takes a position, and hopefully when it gets in profit, they exit. And as you can see from their track record, since we launched it, they're getting 82.6% of their trades right. And right now this will never last, but as of right now, 100% winning months. Now, this is proving very popular at the moment with those clients who are going through their reviews. So if you haven't signed up for them yet and you are one of our clients, the portfolio management reviews, please do so soon because we'll be dying to give exposure to your portfolio to strategies just like this. Now, why I really like strategies like this, they grind out results. They don't have to be a hero every day. They'll happily sit on the sidelines, just like they did last week. Anyone who follows the FTSE will know it went down nearly every day last week, yet this sat on the sidelines and bought in at the end of the week. So despite FTSE falling a fair amount, this is down slightly, but as soon as it starts bouncing back, like it started to this morning, all of a sudden, this could find itself in profit. So yeah, very solid so far, but like I said, big caveat, still a lot of the month to play for. Now, American Alpha is one of our active strategies. Poor start to this year, like many of our active strategies, with a drawdown in February, which it gradually recovered from, and they're posting a 3.7% return on this month. And again, one of the favorites for strategy of the month. So look, if you're one of our clients and you're going through the process of onboarding for the portfolio management service so we can review your strategies, your portfolio, please get that done ASAP because there are a number of strategies I'd love to introduce you to. And if you're a prospect, maybe you're a frustrated investor looking for ways to beat market, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. Our most basic strategy achieves 1.5 times market benchmark, our leverage tracker. We then have our long or flats, which I like to think are a slightly better version of our leverage trackers. And then we have a slightly more aggressive, slightly more speculative, active strategies. Ultimately, if you're looking to build a portfolio that's diversified, robust, and aims to perform regardless of market climate, I like to think we'll be able to assist. Look, we won't be right every month, We won't be right every quarter. And we even found one type of our strategies was wrong for the first half of this year. But over any extended period of time, if you've got a diversified portfolio of TPP, I'd expect you to consistently beat your market benchmark. So don't hesitate to reach out. And as a client, make sure you get onboarded for that portfolio management service so we can review those portfolios. Thanks a lot and have a great week.